Running a restaurant today is tough. Labor shortages stretch staff thin, leading to long waits and mix-ups. Complex orders overwhelm teams, causing delays and errors, while non-stop calls make scaling customer service nearly impossible. Before Gen AI, traditional NLP models struggled with complex orders, background chatter, and multiple customer requests leading to incorrect interpretations and repeated frustrations. At VoicePlug, we knew there had to be a better way. That's why we embraced Gen AI to effortlessly handle complex requests, focus on the primary speaker, and process multiple intents at once. Our customers stay ahead by making the ordering experience smoother, faster, and more reliable than ever. Now, let's explore how integrating Gen AI with NLP models has transformed customer service.
Welcome to the burger place. May I take your order?
Yes, I want your combo number 4 and 6 with extra cheese and no onion. Yeah, I would like to pay by cash. And please also include silverware and extra mayo and pickles on the side. Can you also add a Diet Coke and potato wedges?
Sure. I also recommend trying our delicious Choco Lava Cake. It's just for $2.
Okay, sure.
Great. Please confirm your order on the screen. You may then proceed to the pickup window to collect your order. Have a pleasant day.
From combos to pickup options, AI processes it all in one go, ensuring every detail is captured effortlessly.
Hi, James. Welcome back to Caprese. Our records say you prefer gluten-free. Would you like to try our gluten-free options?
Yes. Give me an extra large gluten-free pepperoni sausage pizza with olives and extra cheese on the left half and mushrooms, and bell peppers on the right. No, make that mushrooms on the whole and olive just on the right. Actually, can you also do sausage only on the right?
Can I add a large Sprite to the order, like last time? Also, we are running a barbecue chicken wings special combo. 6 pieces for $4.99. Do you want to try it?
Yes, sure.
Your total comes to $28.99. Would you like me to charge that to your card ending in 8942 and deliver your order to your home address at 2513 6th Avenue?
From extra large to medium and toppings on the left, right, or everywhere, AI keeps up with every change, making sure nothing is missed.
Hi, Cody. Welcome back to Blend & Burger Company. I've pulled up your last order. Would you like to reorder the same or make some changes?
I want to try Burger Berry Blast combo today.
I've added the Burger Berry Blast combo to your cart. Let me know if you want anything else. When you're ready, tap your card to pay or explore other payment options on your phone.
Despite the hustle and bustle, the AI precisely captures the customer's order, ensuring clear communication by primary speaker honing.